Hey gang, it's your buddy Platt, and today we're going to make a clone brew using a Brooklyn Brew Shop kit. So let's go. So some of you out there might be wondering, well, what is a clone brew? How can you make a clone beer or whatever? What a clone brew is let's say your favorite beer is Sierra Nevada, and you like Sierra Nevada and it got you interested in craft beers, and then you got into home brewing, but you got a kit, you made a pale ale, but it just didn't turn out like Sierra Nevada. What clone brewing is nailing that recipe exactly. If you go get a generic pale ale kit, stylistically it's the same as Sierra Nevada. They're both technically pale ale. But you might tweak the hops a little bit, you might tweak the grain a little bit. It's just not going to come out the same. Well, what clone brews are is like trying to nail that exact beer. You can go online and find hundreds of recipes that people have tried and kind of work back and forth. What these kit companies have done, though, is they've gone to the actual brewer themselves and worked and kind of collaborated on the kit. They get to see the secret recipe that you and I just don't have access to. So like this one here comes to us from Brooklyn Brew Shop, is the kit maker, but the brewery is Evil Twin Brewing, and the particular beer is Bikini beer. I believe it is a session IPA, which is kind of an oxymoron because IPAs are generally, higher ABV, bigger beers. Session beers are lighter, but it's kind of a new thing. But anyway, so Brooklyn Brew Shop worked with Evil Twin, and now they've created a kit to where I can make this beer at home. So I thought we'd give it a try. I think Rogue Brewing does some. There's several breweries out there that have clones through different kit companies, so something to look out for. And I will leave a link down below, my affiliate link, where you can get this kit. So with that being said, let's make a clone brew. So we got our 1 gallon of Bikini beer brewing up right now, brewed up, and then we pitched the yeast, got everything going in there. Did a gravity reading. This beer in this recipe is designed to come in at only 2.6% ABV. This is, like I said, a session style IPA, so that's what this recipe is meant for, 2.7. I did a gravity reading, came out to 1.020, that's a real low gravity reading, but if we get final gravity at 1.00, we'll hit 2.63 or something like that. So we'll hit our mark. We should hit our mark as far as ABV, which is, again, pretty low on this beer. Next steps, here in 5 days after the most vigorous fermentation is done, we'll pitch the rest of our Simcoe hops. This is a technique called dry hopping. It's just a great way to add even more hop goodness into your beer. It's done a lot with these IPAs and other hoppy style beers. We will leave it in the primary fermenter for 2 weeks. Then we'll go ahead and bottle, and then in 2 weeks, we'll allow 2 weeks for conditioning in the bottle. And then after that, after about a month or so, we'll have a beer that is ready to drink, and we'll come back then and give her a taste test. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe down below. Also, please like the video because it lets YouTube know we're putting out good content. Also, you might have noticed if you're a regular viewer, I kind of edited this video a little different than my standard format. Just let me know what you think, some feedback, yay, nay, what have you. I'm just playing around with some things. And until next time, bottoms up.